Man United just won. People, this is the fourth official. Make sure to drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. What the fuck did we just see? Anibal Mejbri came out first start and he did really well. Very, very well, as a matter of fact. He was pressing the ball. He didn't win a lot of presses, but he was ahead of the press at all times. Made some decent passes. A few flux passes here and there, but which is expected as a youngster. But honest to goodness, he was effective in that number 10 position. I'm not going to lie to you. He was very effective. And he was effective in the back as well. Defensively and offensively. So I'm not going to lie. He had a very good game. Anibal Mejbri, very good debut season start. Very good start. First start for the season. I hope you have many more to come because he played well. Very, very well. What the fuck did we just see? Burnley dominate Manchester United. Burnley dominate Manchester United. Without even looking at the position stats or any other stats, Burnley have about 90% possession of the football. Why? And the 10% that we had was us passing back at the back line. Evans, Lindelof, back to the keeper. Evans, Lindelof, back to the keeper. What the fuck was that, fam? What the flying fuck was that? We need to change things significantly moving forward. Significantly. I know no other players are coming in, but we need to change things significantly. What the fuck did we just see? This indecisive decisions from the forward line, from Rashford and from Haaland. I don't know what the fuck kind of decisions these guys were making. We had a break, 3 versus 2. We had Rashford on the left, Bruno on the right. All in the middle, dribbling the ball. Everybody's facing Rashford. The goalkeepers facing Rashford. The defenders facing Rashford. Your next decision is to play the ball to Bruno, fam. What the fuck? And the same thing happened to Rashford when it comes to decision making. Haaland is making a move to the right. You have the ball on the right hand side. Haaland is making a move to the right. The defender is moving to the right. Keep the ball and go towards goal, and brother. Why aren't you making the right decisions? We need to figure that out, fam. We need to fucking figure that out. What the fuck did we just see? The midfield, fam. The midfield missing completely. McTominay, Casemiro, Mejbri. Missing. There was no midfield. I don't know if Burnley just blocked them in the first line so them couldn't get the ball, but every time them get the defensive line get the ball, Evans and Lindelof, all them do try to play it over the top. I know Burnley play a high line. I know that. I will try to catch them over the top a couple of times. Catch them one time, I'll score. Good. That's all well and good. But where was the midfield? Aside from tackling, there was no midfield passing the ball. We need to do better than that, fam. We need to do fucking better than that when it comes to the next game. We need to do better than that. What the fuck did we just see? Our left back played brilliant in the first 3 games. What now? Because he walked off injured. Wallen on him hamstring. You know what I mean? Left back, injured. I'm back up to play left back. Because one left back we have, send him go and get experience on a Granada. Manchester United now no luck when it comes to the bumbuckler injuries this season. No luck. But me guarantee you him not play next game. Him injured bad. He won't have a hamstring, couldn't even move. So we know say him done. And you know say hamstring no good, you're no good none at all. What the fuck did we just see? Erik ten Hag switching stuff up. Erik ten Hag knew they needed speed, power, pace. So he brought in Anibal Mejbri. He brought in McTominay. And that was a good thing. That was the best thing that he did all season. Very good thing. I'm not going to lie. This tactical change to win the game was the best change. So Erik ten Hag, big up your blood clot self. Manchester United 1, Burnley 0. It's a game that we deserve to win, but in the long shot of it, Burnley had more possession of the football. They had better chances as well too. Don't forget that. 1-0, I would take that any day. Move on to the next one. People, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Base up yourself. Manaz.